Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I would like to talk a bit about the interface. I want to demonstrate where the commands are located and how to navigate through HiCAD, providing a bit more detail. Basically, the ribbons are located at the top, where various commands are included. On the left side is the so-called ICN, where the most important and very detailed information about the construction is contained. Here, there is also the transparent toolbar, where I get quick access for construction. On the right side, there are collapsible windows by default, which I can also dock with the pin. Here I have the possibility to create standardized commands in the area of steel construction, facade construction, or in the facade construction element. Of course, I can also drag these windows to another screen. In this case, as an example, I can drag the part structure using the left mouse button, using drag and drop, and dock it to another area or another screen. If I accidentally close this window with the X, I can always turn it back on through this area, using these undock windows. This happens very often at the beginning.